Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a company page. Not only company page, also educational institute page or a small content page in LinkedIn. So the first step is to have an account built on LinkedIn. So you need to have an existing personal account so that you can link it to your company's account page or educational institute page. So for the first step, once you have your account in LinkedIn, so this is one of my clients' account, Rachel Hart. For her, we are going to build a company LinkedIn account profile. So for the first step, click on work, and then from there navigate to create a company page. So once you are in this company page, it gives you multiple options of selecting small business if you're a small business owner, or if you would like to make a small business company page, or medium to large business if you have more than 200 employees, or showcase page, which is also known as the content page. And you can also build out a educational institute page. But in this case, we are going to build out a small business company page for my client Rachel. So let's click on small businesses, and this is the only page which you will have to fill in. So the company name is Systems for Leaders. So this is the URL which you will have for your company's page. And if you have a website or a domain, you can definitely link up here. Currently, I do not, my client and I do not have a website for this company, so we are gonna leave it blank. So now it's time to fill company details. So industry, let's go and select the industry. In this case, it is marketing and advertising. And then the size of the company depending on the number of employees you have. So in this organization, we have employees about 2 to 10 employees. And the type of company, if it's a public company or a government company or privately held, so it is privately held. And the next step is to upload a logo. So make sure you have a proper logo, and the recommended size is 300 into 300 pixels. It could be JPGs or PNGs. So in this case, I'm gonna upload a JPG. So yeah, once you are done uploading, and you can see the preview of the logo here, and this looks very nice. So the very most important aspect here after uploading the logo is to have a very strong tagline. So for this company, we are going to use a tagline which is this one, which is I have already structured it and articulated it. So you can also use emojis. Here I'm going to use the finger emoji, which will direct them, helping businesses increase their email prospecting open rates to 75%, which equals to complement personalized first lines. And then you have to check mark this. You have to verify if you are the authorized person to make this company page. Yes. And click on create page. So once you have uploaded the logo and the tagline, the most important next step is to upload a cover picture, because this is very important, because this is something which will drive the most eyes on your company page. So let's go ahead and upload a cover picture. So click on this little toggle here, and we have the recommended cover pixels, which is 1128 pixels into 191 pixels, which is recommended. And that is how I have created a cover which also talks about what the business is about or what the company stands for. So let me go ahead and upload a picture. Alright, so once you have uploaded the cover picture, resize it to the center and click on save, and make sure that this is very resemble of what business you are in, helping entire online business improve efficiency by 70% through automations and systems that we build and maintain. So let me resize this, reposition this, yes, automation expert, and click on save. So this is how your company page would look like, and the next step is to go and add website URL if you have. In this case, I do not have the website URL. So the next step is to add in the description about your business or the company or the institute. So I have already written down the description for my business, which is System for Leaders. So let me go ahead and paste it, and once we have, it's good to go, and let's go ahead and save. And the next important step is to go ahead and add in hashtags of the relevant field or the company you are in. So for me, it's marketing agency, email marketing. So I recommend using 3 hashtags at least, and then click on save. So this is one of the basics methods how you can create your company right away, and you will have the whole access with you, and you can also give it to admins later down the line if you have. And you can do a lot of optimization. You can go ahead and add locations like custom buttons. And now let's see how it actually looks. If you click on view as members, so you can see how the other people on the LinkedIn can see your company page. So let's go and click, and this is exactly how it would look to the audience and the people looking for your agency or company on LinkedIn. So we have a beautiful optimized cover, and then we have the right size of the logo, and then we have the company's agency's name, and this is where we have the line title which says exactly what we do, and we also have the description about our business. So this is the basic company profile built, and this is very easy, which can be built out in like hardly in 10 minutes. So you can go ahead and add a lot of more details to it, like, and you can also go ahead and start posting, connecting with people, and this is it. So this is exactly how you can actually make a company profile step by step and get started, and over down the line you can optimize it. So feel free to reach out to me on my Instagram, and I help people with generating leads through LinkedIn. Also reach out to me on my email, which is growwithadeep.com, and make sure that you like and subscribe this comment, because every week I'll be dropping content related to LinkedIn growth and also about growth hacking. Have a good day, guys.